A woman wearing medical attire was caught at Target putting merchandise in her coat. She tried to casually leave the store like she did nothing wrong, but was caught at the exit by the police and lost prevention. And it just wasn't one or two items, it was hundreds of dollars worth of merchandise.
When you said I thought.
Hello, officer.
Hello.
Sorry.
Hi.
Have a seat, please.
I didn't mean to do this. I can pay this.
Okay, so she has in her purse around $300 worth of unpaid merchandise. So just take everything out, okay?
Yeah, I'll pay for it.
Yeah, take it out.
Alright. No, I was gonna give it to somebody. Okay? I'll pay for it, I promise.
Right now it's too late, right? To pay for it? You already tried scanning it?
No, but I can always pay, right, sir?
No, you cannot.
Huh?
You already passed it into sales.
But I'll pay for it.
Have a seat, please.
Have a seat. Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't have.
You don't have any identification?
It's in my car.
It's in your car? Okay. What kind of car do you have?
I'll pay for it.
What kind of car do you have?
Just don't ruin my name.
Huh?
Just don't ruin my name.
Don't ruin your name?
Yeah. I
Okay.
promise. I pay
You
for
ruined
it.
your own name. So I'm gonna need your name. Have a seat. Do you have anything on your person that may hurt anyone, like needles, knives?
No, I don't have anything.
Don't listen. Put everything down. I didn't ask you to do that. Take off that jacket for me. Put it over here. Don't go in your pockets. Listen to my instructions, okay?
Okay.
Stand up. Take that jacket off. Place it right over here. Right over here. Place the jacket over here. Right there. Put your hands up. Turn around. Okay, have a seat. Have a seat.
All right.
Is this your jacket? I'm sorry? Yes?
It's mine too.
Is this yours?
Yeah.
No, that's mine.
It's brand new.
Yeah. Stop lying, man. Why are you lying?
No, bro, I put it over there in the bag. I'll pay for it.
Those are Ray-Bans. I don't
yeah,
think Target.
Can I take a picture of you just for our records?
But there always says like you can pay for it.
No, not at Target. Only at Walmart, not at Target, okay? Target's really serious about theft and all that stuff.
I know, but there's always saying you can pay for it.
At Walmart, not in here. No, you cannot pay for it no more, okay?
What can I resolve it? It's New Year,
So,
please.
I know. Give me 2 seconds. So, ¿por qué está robando, oiga? ¿Por qué?
No, I'm not. I don't speak
You
Spanish.
don't speak Spanish? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines? Oh, okay. When did
But
you get
sir,
here?
listen. I can pay for this. I'm
Too late.
professional.
Too late. I'm professional too, and I gotta do my job.
Sumaya. Sumaya is your middle name?
Yeah, opo.
Huh?
Opo. Yes, sir.
Okay. And your last name is
Yeah. Listen, I know this stuff. I know that when you do that, you can always pay. So
No, you
don't go through it too much. It's New Year.
I don't
I'm
care
very
if it's New
sorry.
Year.
Please.
I don't care.
Please, sir.
No, you're saying $300.
I'll pay for it. I'll pay for
No,
it.
you cannot.
what is your address?
You ruined my
Ma'am,
name.
do me a favor. Don't argue with him.
Okay.
Okay? Everybody has a job to do, right?
Okay.
This is his job, is to catch people who steal, right? If the company has an ordinance that they're not going to let anybody go past a certain amount, then that's his job to continue and follow that ordinance.
Okay.
It's not yours to dictate whether or not he could let you go or now you want to pay for all the shit that you took. Okay?
Can I pay for it? Because I have to give it to somebody tonight, please. It's a birthday. I still have a patient to go. So if I can pay for it, I know.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a nurse.
You're a nurse? A registered nurse? Or
I'm a registered nurse.
registered nurse? Okay. What brings you over here?
No, I have a patient nearby here in North Latrobe. So I go past.
On North Latrobe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't mean to like what I said. I'll pay for it. It's New Year. I know Walmart does that, but I know we do.
How many times have you been arrested for retail theft? Never? What about theft in general?
It's just first time because I'm rushing.
Okay, let's try this again. How does the name on your license appear? Because you're not coming back with no record. Okay.
We can go to my car,
See
but I
what?
want to pay this because I want to.
Hold on a minute. See what?
Marifi Sumaya
Okay. Is the name Sumaya,
middle name.
is that spelled out in your license?
Sumaya. That's Filipino.
Can you give me a copy of the video and stuff?
Yes, sir. You have a USB?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I can put it in there.
And also, do you have any complaint forms?
Yes, I do.
Are they the new ones?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the
Yes. It's the same thing, the same way. You get the number receipt, the same way.
Turn around. Alright, let's go.
I'm not running.
Huh? What is
Very
it?
sorry for me.
You're very sorry for you? Okay.
After being detained, the lady tries to say that she's married to a cop, then changes and said that he was in the Air Force.
I'm married to a cop.
You're married to a cop? No, you're not.
I am in New Hampshire. Starkey. Look it up.
New Hampshire?
Yeah.
Where's that? In the state of New Hampshire? Oh, okay. So he's not a cop anymore?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
Huh?
I used to be U.S. Air Force.
He used to be reserved?
Yeah. My son too.
The suspect was charged with felony retail theft. She was booked at the police station, but later released with a scheduled court date. This all could have been avoided just from a simple decision, just to pay for the items. Instead, she steals them and gets hit with a dose of instant karma, which puts the suspect through the legal system and has to face the consequences. And maybe she wasn't a nurse after all and couldn't afford the items. It still doesn't give her the right to do criminal activity. Let me know your thoughts on this situation in the comments. If you like more videos like these, click the video on the screen and I'll see you in the next one.